Hi guys, this is a video review on how to install the Simplicity version 5 on Samsung Galaxy Y. First of all, root your phone. Just Google on how to root your phone. Then the second thing is to put the three files in the root of your SD card. First is the ROM file, which is the Simplicity Dandelion version 2-1.zip, and the second file is this Simplicity status bar mode.zip, and the third file is the Skin i980 GTS 5360 plus clockwork mode.zip. Okay guys, so next step is to boot into recovery mode by pressing the three combination buttons. Okay, now once you are in the recovery mode, wipe data and cache. Well, this method is not on the official ROM thread, but I recommend this method to install this ROM because it's the safest method I still have encountered till now. So apply update from SD card, then choose the Skin i980 GTS 5360 plus clockwork mode.zip, this file. So once you are in the clockwork mode, just go to mounts and storage and format system, data and cache, all three. System, then format the data, and then again format the cache. Don't format the SD card. Since all the three partitions are formatted, go back and wipe data and cache, and again wipe the cache, and again go to mounts and storage and mount all the four partitions: mount data, mount SD card, and mount system. In short, you have to all the four partitions should be unmounted like this. All should show on mount. Again go back, choose install zip from SD card, then choose zip from SD card. Now select the Simplicity Dandelion 2.1 .zip, the ROM file. Let the ROM be completed. Once we will reboot, we will again go to the recovery mode, the clockwork mode.zip, and again we will mount the system and flash the patch. Let the installation be completed. Okay, now the ROM is now installed. Also it is written there, please boot the ROM before flashing status bar mode. So after installing the ROM, you have to go back and press the reboot system now, which is the first option. Well, the first boot will take time around 2 to 3 minutes, according to my estimation, but let's see. Okay, cool. So here's the boot animation, just like the Cyanogen Mode 10. Quite nice and cool. Let it get booted up. Okay, now the room is now boarded up. Press next. Automatic. Next. So here is the Simplicity version 5. Very nice and cool, I must say. Very smooth. Very cool and smart, I must say. Okay, now so the next step was to boot into recovery mode, like as said in the room boot. Recovery. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. Stock Android recovery. Simply apply update from SD card. Then choose the clockbook mode file. I recommend you to don't flash a status bar through Android stock recovery. Just flash it via clockbook mode. So we are in the clockbook mode. Go to mounts and storage and mount all. All four options should be shown unmount. Go back and install zip from SD card, then choose zip from SD card, then again go to the Simplicity mode status bar.zip, simply select it and select yes. So the patch is now flashed and the ROM is completely ready to use. Again go back and reboot system now. Once it will get booted up, you will get the taste of the Simplicity version 5. Well, you will encounter some of the bugs like the DSP manager force closes in this room. This is because it's replaced by the Viper, so you don't have to worry. Just install it from the menu app, and if your Wi-Fi is not working, you have to simply fetch the Wi-Fi stock drivers. If you are not using any kernel. And if you are using Hellox kernel or White's kernel, just flash the White's Wi-Fi drivers. Well, here's the newest status bar, which seems pretty cool and awesome. Oh yes, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and do watch my next video on the review about the Simplicity version 5. Thanks.